Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the F7 Pro drone. This drone is designed to offer some impressive features, especially for those getting into aerial photography and videography. It boasts an adjustable camera capable of capturing stunning aerial footage. While the marketing mentions 4K HD, the actual video capture resolution is listed as 1080p, with still images coming in at a crisp 12 megapixels. This means you can get clear, high-definition video and detailed photos from the sky. One of the standout features is its flight time. The F7 Pro drone can stay airborne for approximately 29 minutes on a single charge. That's a significant amount of time for capturing expansive landscapes or following a subject without constantly worrying about the battery. Beyond just flying, this drone comes packed with intelligent flight modes. It features an intelligent follow mode, allowing it to automatically track a designated subject. There's also surround flight, which enables cinematic orbiting shots. For hands-free control, gesture control is included, letting you command the drone with simple hand movements. This extends to creative capture modes like gesture shooting and an image recognition follow me mode, making it easier than ever to get unique perspectives or have the drone act as your personal aerial cameraman. Safety and ease of use haven't been overlooked. The F7 Pro drone includes essential features like one-key return, which brings the drone back to its takeoff point automatically. Automatic course reversal adds another layer of safety, and precise GPS positioning ensures stable flight and accurate navigation, especially when using features like Return to Home. Connectivity is handled via USB, and it's controlled through an app, making it accessible and convenient. Overall, the F7 Pro drone positions itself as a beginner-friendly option with a long battery life and a capable camera system. Its dark gray finish gives a sleek look. With its combination of intelligent flight modes, safety features, and decent flight duration, it offers a compelling package for anyone looking to explore the world from above.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.